How to fix Snapchat camera access. Let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and then move into Applications. Search for the application Snapchat and then move into it. Make sure that the microphone and camera option is turned on. If not, simply toggle it on. Once done, the next thing you want to try doing is restarting your device. Tap and hold on these assistive dots and then click on Restart. Once your device has been restarted, the next thing you want to try doing is once again head over to Settings and then move into General. Inside General, scroll all the way down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and then click on Reset All Settings. Once you've reset the settings, you might be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.